Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can track and eliminate Priya in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So basically use the grappler right here to jump on these constructions and then basically do that. Now just scan it.
Okay, found her. Sending you her ballpark location. Best I can do.
Target moving south.
And now you will need that target is moving south, so just use the wingsuit and go to the ping that is pinged in the area. Let's go to the tier. After that, here you will need to just clean some hostiles.
That rifle's no joke. Take cover. Lost her.
Spectre 1, huh? Settles in my cap.
Got eyes on target.
Stick your neck out. Show me that smile.
Lost her again.
Heads up.
Got visual. Private gun. More fucking monsters?
This toxin won't let us go.
Gotcha.
Over there.
Going to my final breath.
You don't have to. Just come out and drop your weapon.
I will die for the guild before I rot in a black site. Gotcha.
I'm sick of this shit. She's ghosting us.
Not for long. Scan the unit.
I see her.
And that's pretty much it. That's how you eliminate the Priya in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.